Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today we are on Friday Freebie 80. So this is going to be the last one for a while throughout Christmas until next year. And then I will carry on. So I'm going to take a break over Christmas. So this is going to be the last one for this year. First of all, before I start this, I want to say a big happy birthday to Andy. It's Andy's birthday today. So we are going to have a bit of a lazy day and we're going out to eat tonight with some friends, so that will be lovely. And we're going to just sit around, drink coffee and eat cake. So I think that sounds a perfect day. So carrying on with this is a lovely one. So I have got some little Santas for you to make today. So Andy and myself came up with this. We designed this little Santa here. This is a picture of what it should look like. So you've got this one to fussy cut out as well, and these, a little bit of fussy cutting, but it is worth it because they are gorgeous. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. These are just the base for the face. These are the little faces. You've got two different noses, two different beards, you've got a couple of moustaches and a couple of Christmas little hats on there, and I think they are just lovely. They're bigger than this one. This is just a little one to give you an idea of what they look like. So I'm going to show you what I've made, and then I'm just going to pop them together for you to show how easy it is. So I've made a little tag. Now this is the one that's already made, so I've just cut that out, popped it onto just a little piece of card, did a little stamping on the back, a little bit of tassely top there, and I've got one of my little words and phrases, the Christmas ones, which says it's Christmas on there. So so simple, and I think that is just gorgeous. This one, of course, I have made into a paper clip. And I just think is lovely. So I think they are just so cute. So that just pops on there. Again, these can be used on top of gift bags and things like that, which are lovely. And then what I've done with this one, something completely different. I have popped them onto, I made a little bag just to pop a little journal in or a little card. I've just done a little bit of mixed media on this one and popped them over the top. So I'm loving this. So I had lots and lots of fun with this, making this morning. So it's really good. So we just got some, I've got some gold wax on there. I've done some stamping. I've got some cheesecloth. I've got some inks on there, and I just love it. And I popped a little pom-pom on the top of his little hat there. So loving this. On the back, I've just stamped it with some of the snowflake stamps, but you can just pop whatever you like inside, and I just think that's lovely. Really nice. So these are so cute. I think they're really cute. So I'm going to show you how to put them together. Well, I've got these two as well here, so that's just a plain one, and that's the other little one there. I've got them here. I've put them together so I don't lose them. So you've got the base, you've got the little face, you've got the little nose, you've got the moustache, the hat and the beard. Okay, so I'm going to take my glue, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue the hat on first. Now because I want to stick this underneath there, I'm not quite sure where he goes. I stick the hat on first, but I'm not going to glue this bit here because I want to pop his little face up inside. So this is the easiest way I found to do it. If my glue will come out, let's see, a little bit of glue, so just around there, just miss that little middle bit, and then what you want to do is just pop it on top like that, just so it's level either side here, because obviously if you go too high up, his hat looks like it's falling off and not really on his head. So that just sticks on there. So we have a little gap then, just to slip this bit up inside. So this is his little face. This can just have a little bit of glue on. Just using my tacky glue because it's really easy. just paper on paper. So that just pops up in there, his little face. And then we're going to pop his beard on. So we can have a nice long beard. So his beard goes on there like that. And then we pop his moustache on there. And then we pop his little round nose on like that. So isn't that just so cute? I think he's lovely. So these on little gift bags are just so cute. And presents, all sorts of things. So I've given you lots and lots of different ideas for Christmas stuff this year. I've got a bit carried away with all my lovely paper clips and stuff. Very into my Christmas making this year. Need to do a little bit of shabby Christmas, I think. So that will be coming up next week, I think. A little bit of shabbiness. So here can go on there like that, little moustache, and then we have his big nose right in the middle, like that, and then just stick that on. And there we go, our lovely little Santa. Isn't he cute? Lovely. And again, you can pop a little pom-pom on there if you like, which I've got on this little red one. Just a little pom-pom. Could probably do one with a little bit bigger. Mine wasn't quite as big as I wanted it to be, but you don't really need it. But there we go, that's our little green hat Santa. And then we've got this little one, which is the little red one. So again, we'll pop the hat on. So just miss that middle bit so you can pop his face up through. So just make like an arch there. And then this can just sit on there like that. And we will glue his little face in. Again, you can put glitter or anything you like on these. You can shabby them up a little bit, put a little bit of ink around his beard. So just pop that in there. This one I've just popped a little bit of ink around here, so just to make him a little different. And we shall pop his beard on, which just sits on there. A little bit of glue, so you can have a nice little session of cutting out. Like that, and his little moustache goes on there. Like this. Oopsie daisy. Pop his little moustache on. Like that, and then he's got a little sort of oval nose on this one. And there we go. I think the nose just finishes it off. He looks a bit grumpy. He's a bit of a grumpy one, isn't he? But don't they look lovely? I think they are just gorgeous. So there we go, guys. That's how you make it. So again, pop them on tags. You can make them, of course, into paper clips. You could put a little hole in there and have it as a little tag. You could write on the back of it. You can do all sorts of things. Pop it on the front of a greetings card. So we got lots and lots here, and I'm just loving it. Try a little bit of mixed media, because I think that looks really nice. That would look nice as a journal cover as well. If you've got a nice Christmas journal, I think that looks lovely. So there we go, guys. That is your Friday freebie for this week, number 80. So again, this is going to be the last one for this year. They will be, all the Friday freebies will be in the shop. So if you're not on Facebook, you can pop over to the shop and you'll get the last 4 weeks of the Friday freebies in there today. But again, if you're on Facebook, please pop over to the group. If you've not joined the group, there's a link down below. So click on that link and it will take you to my Facebook group where you can join and you can download all the Friday freebies. All of them, all 80 of them are on there. So please do go along. And also the group is lovely because there's lots and lots of inspiration in there. All of you post some absolutely gorgeous stuff. So do pop along. So there we go, guys. That's your Friday freebie for this week. Another big happy birthday to Andy. So I hope you have a fantastic day. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for supporting me and everything throughout the year. Please stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, bye bye.